Using Cash App without a card is a convenient option for those who do not have a debit or credit card linked to their account. To get started, you need to have a Cash App account and a bank account linked to it. First, you need to link your bank account to Cash App. To do this, open Cash App, navigate to the Balance tab, and select Add Cash. Then, choose the option to link your bank account and follow the prompts to enter your bank account and routing numbers. Once your bank account is linked, you can use the instant transfer feature to move funds from your bank account to your Cash App account. This process usually takes a few minutes to complete. To pay with Cash App without a card, you can use the Cash App account balance to make payments to other Cash App users or to purchase items from merchants that accept Cash App. You can also use the Cash App QR code to make payments in store. When paying with Cash App, make sure to have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transaction amount. If you do not have enough funds, you can instantly transfer money from your linked bank account to your Cash App account. To send money to other Cash App users, open the app, navigate to the Send tab, and enter the recipient's phone number, email, or Cash App handle. Then, enter the amount you want to send and add a note if needed. Using Cash App without a card is a secure and convenient way to make payments. And by following these steps, you can easily use the service without needing a debit or credit card.